Ngayon, you have to also ask about the safety of the company. Kung siya ilang mga safety protocol, safety regulations nila. And then another subject is about the certificate. Ito lang tuloy pa, those are the three major category or topics that you are going to research ninyo muna yung final. Importante niya, hindi. Is it urgent? Hindi. Yes. Yes. Kung ano ibantayan nyo, if you can work that out already, like some of you have heard, na natin ay target ng company, yung company, hindi na natin kailangan or these are the things that we need to do. By the way, di ba ninyo na ninyo na ang groupings must be based on your choice. Na mag-grouping mo by 7, by 6, and then on your own choice. Okay lang, lagay. Okay lang, ilagay ako lang kita. Ganang, what in-example nyo sa time, sa final delay, mag-present mo sa involved or mag-count ka in section mo. Ganang ang time, manibawan ito na ito ang inyong progress, no? So, kaya lang, very important but not urgent. You have to kung magkanda or kung saan mo, pagkatahay o buhay, muna on your own choice. Muna na, kaya bawa mo ang set of final. Ang midterm na to, definitely, objective test yun. Muna nag-aaral ito muna ng kuhan, ito mo yung multiple choice, ito mo yung standard. Kaya kung mag-identification, ano may ganaan nyo? Identification or objective test? Kanang multiple choice or kanang identification?
Multiple choice. Passionate about my interest is to play.
Anyway, mo na lang standard.
I'm passionate about.
Pero among the 4 or 5 choices, isa ra ka.
What is your passion?
Or
Passion.
100%, 55%, or
You change the words so that it will coincide with the first word. For the two words.
So, let's continue. Detection.